love life, and be eager to explore. Although you are not a lone wolf, you are a person who has talks with your inner self more than anyone else. Be it in a shining moment or in the ordinary one, you are not willing to miss it. Introducing the FeiyuTech G5GS, a handheld 3-axis gimbal that is designed for Sony action cameras. With increased motor torque for smoother video than ever before. Use it single-handedly or two-handed with the two-hand holder. The gimbal is splash-proof and featuring auto rotation, time-lapse photography, and a brand new FeiyuOn app for Android and iOS for full gimbal control. The G5GS will give you the best results that you have already envisioned. The G5GS is not for capturing the impossible, that you already do. Don't lose the feeling, lock it down, but smoothly. For Sony action cameras, the FeiyuTech G5GS, capture the life you live.